Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul from Color Street, and there's actually some new products in here, so I just wanted to show you the different shades that I got and what the new product is. So let me see here. So the different packaging, we now have Pedicure Strips. So they are a little bit wider and more, you know, bigger sizes for doing toes. I personally just use regular ones. I use this, I could get 2 manicures out of it and a pedicure, and I normally have 1 strip left over. So that's what I've been doing, but they now make one specifically for your toesies. So let me see here, there's a few of them. Of course, it's at the very bottom. This one's a really pretty hot pink, and it's called Soul Sister. And then we have this glittery one that's really nice, kind of like an orangish red. And that one's called Brazilianaire. And I don't know if I got, let's see if I got more. I thought I did, but I guess I only got the 2. There's only a few shades available right now, but you still get 16 strips. But like I said, the only difference is the shapes of them. They're a little bit bigger. So the new packaging is this bigger style. So some of these have the older packaging, which is fine. Same thing, you get only 1 alcohol prep pad in here. That's the main difference. And you get a bigger nail file in these. But this one is a really pretty glitter. And that one is called Chica Gold. Some of these I already have, like on my nails right now is this one. It's called I've Got a Feeling, and this is really pretty on. I really like that one. This one is a really pretty red color. Shows you how to apply it on the back, and this is called Beijing Beauty. If you've never tried Color Street, I do send out samples, so let me know. You can email me. This one I wore 2 weeks ago, I think it was. This one's really pretty. It's called Flora Good Time. Very nice print. Then I got a couple glitters. These 2 are the same. I really like the glitters. Super sparkly. This one is Fiji Fuchsia, and this one is very popular. It was sold out for a while. And then I got some of these to test out. It looks like they might be sheer, like an ombre glitter. So this one's all gold, and it's called Golden Girly. I love the names. They always have really fun names. Another glitter. Looks like there's a pink undertone to it with all sorts of different colors of glitter on top. This one's called Party in the USA. And then we have this one. Hopefully the lighting's okay. I'm in a new camera area, filming area. Bordeaux Glitz. It's a nice light pink sheer. And this one is called At the Plaza. And here's another ombre glitter, and this one's in silver. I'm gonna have to test those out. Dripping in Diamonds. You can layer them, so you can put a couple strips over. If you wanted to do a glitter on top of a solid, you can do that. This looks sheer too. This is a really pretty blue. Love that color. Blue Lagoon. I have not experimented much with you know, doing multiple colors, or some people get really creative with them. I just haven't. This one's Underground Magic. I know I already own this one, but I haven't used it yet. And then we have a couple more, some more chunky glitter. This one has almost like a navy blue color underneath, and that one's called Lisbon Nights. I don't know how to pronounce that. This one's smaller glitter, but still kind of like a grayish dark blue. That one is Moon River. This one I'm excited to use. It's like half silver, half blue, kind of like an ombre, but it's going to the side. That one's French Riviera. We got a little card in here about application reminders. Always use a prep pad, especially if you have oily nails. One-time use only, they say that now. Do not reseal it. However, I still do, and I get, you know, 3 sets of nails out of it. You just have to do it correctly. I think they're doing that now, just kind of cover their butts in case you put them in a plastic bag or something. That's not going to work. Thank you for your Color Street purchase. So 2 more. This one is a really light gray, and it has some silver glitter on top. And that one is Concrete Jungle. And the last one is a nice teal, kind of like a metallic shade. And that one is called Holy Toledo. They have really cute names. So if you guys want to try Color Street, my website's below. If you want to make a purchase, you can use the party link. That helps me out a little bit. Lets me earn some rewards so I can get more nails. And if you want a sample, my email is in the description box below the video, and I would be happy to send you a little brochure, a catalog, and a sample. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.